Hey guys, Mr. Zern here. Welcome back. I'm in the virtual lab here in Project Lead the Way, and the directions are going to have us get right into it by going to the Start menu. There we go. And going to Windows PowerShell. And then we're going to start entering in some commands. Now, for me here, I've got two computers up, or at least two screens, one to kind of do the virtual lab and usually the other to work in. So we're going to start by typing in dir to go to the directory. Definitely some value to writing that down so you can kind of remember how to get there. All right, we can see a list of all the projects and stuff here. So I'm going to we want to go to password project. So the next one is sort of this CD to change directories. Okay. And what directory should it go to? There's a list there, and I'm going to type it in. It is case sensitive, which is going to be password projects, all one word, and I'll hit enter. And just this next line comes up, which doesn't seem to show us a lot, but again, I can press dir for the directory. So show me the directory inside of this. You can kind of think of it as a folder. And then this whole list of all the files and such inside that will show up. All right, so now we're ready to actually like run a file and kind of try something. So what it wants you to do is basically we're going to run one of these Python scripts. And so again, we're going to kind of enter in some commands here. So I'll type in Python. And then, all right, well, which file do you want to run? And so there's a big list there. And again, in step 10, it talks about we're going to type in like crack underscore common underscore py dot, pw dot py. All right, and so if I do that, not really much is going to happen. But now what I want you to do is, so I'm basically telling the program, hey, run this script, this Python script, and I'm going to add some information there. Basically, it's going to see if my password is available. So I'm going to type in, let's pretend that my password is password, and let's see what happens. Now it's going to take it a few seconds as it kind of the script runs through all the passwords stored there inside that Python script file, and something should show up here in a few moments there. So it's checking again. The longer it is, the password, the longer it'll take, and it says, hey, your password is one of the most common ones. You might want to consider changing it. Okay, so we can kind of run another one, and I'll say Python, and I'm going to say. So same thing. Unfortunately, if there's a way to get copy paste in here to work, I do not know what it is. I would love for you to show me how to do that. All right, so let's pretend my password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll type it. This one shouldn't take quite as long, but it's going to kind of spool there for a few seconds, and then it'll tell me that again that should be one of the most common ones there. So it's kind of checking through the scripts, checking all the possible passwords in the universe there that are common ones, I should say, and it says, hey, again, your password is one of the most common. You might want to consider changing it. All right, I just wanted to give you just a little taste of kind of what this Windows PowerShell looked like, again, how to find it. And then again, it would really be a benefit to just write down what some of these PowerShell commands are, like dir for directory, cd to change directory, and then you want which directory you want to go into. And there'll be more as we go through, again, as we kind of learn this new language. All right, guys, I will talk to you later.